Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. Yesterday we picked up 2 boxes of New Balance from Jim Kidd Morley, and well, it's like a father-son shoe because Father's Day is coming up, and I wanted to match with my dad as well. So we got 2 boxes of New Balance, and it's exactly the same, one for me and one for my dad. So yeah. So these are the boxes that we just picked up yesterday. New Balance, factory fresh. And let's start with my dad's shoe. So this is his box. His box is a little bit bigger than mine because mine's a size, like 3 sizes smaller than my dad's, because I'm a size 7 and he's a size 10 US. So yeah, let's open this up. New Balance, always the new fresh shoe smell. I love that smell. And yeah, so here's the shoe. It's a New Balance Koze Comfort Ride, and it's one of New Balance's high-end shoes as well because it's really well made and everything. So let me just take this posing thing out because we don't need it to be posing now. So as you see, it's got this chopped up look on the bottom. So it's like, oh, there's gaps in it. So I'm a bit concerned that rocks might go in there, but it's a shoe, you know. So yeah, and it's a really, really comfortable shoe. And it's, you know when you run, like you slam your foot on the ground, like on the side of your heel, and like it kind of hurts, right? So in these shoes, you've got padded fresh foam in the insole insert. So it says New Balance Response 1.0 performance insert. So like you insert this for performance, but you don't really need that at all. But we're gonna put that in so that you can get extra comfort and everything. So it's sort of memory foam. Like when you press it down, it stays there for about like 10 seconds. So yeah, so it's pretty good. And before I insert that back in, this is actually really comfortable without the insert as well. So I don't mind having this in or out. So yeah, and so these are the support, like when you slam your foot on the ground. This is the thing, the padding that will support you when you slam your foot. So what I'm talking about is like when you run and you like slam your foot like that, your foot will be hurting. Like, you know, it feels like, you know when you get hit in the ankle with a scooter, that's what I mean. Like, that's how it feels like. But in these shoes, you've got this padded insert and this, so that will never happen again. Or maybe it will if your shoes are really worn down. But yeah, I guess it won't anymore. And it says over here, Koze, New Balance Koze Comfort Ride. So yeah, I like that name as well. And it's the version Koze RB1. So Koze RB1. That's if you wanna find these shoes, it's Koze RB1. So yeah, those are the shoes. So let's go to my shoes. So these are my dad's. Well, I've pretty much done a thorough review on both of these shoes, basically because we have the same exact shoes. This is mine, and it's got the smaller box. And yeah, so let's open it up. My one, I've covered it up so that it'd be kind of a surprise, but I'm going to show you guys my dad's shoes. So here we go. So these are the shoes. Oops. So this is my left pair. So everything's exactly the same. You've got that fresh foam performance insert in there. Well, I've just tightened my shoes up so that I don't have to tie them all the time. On my ones, you've got this like little jagged piece over there. I don't know what it's for, but like I don't feel any jagged stuff on the part where it goes into. Well, anyway, it's a really good shoe, and I'm gonna put these on for you guys right now so that you guys can see how it looks like on foot. Well, it doesn't have that pose insert thing, like when you display thing like that you put into the shoe. like still I can put it on the film and show you guys. So it's like really, really comfortable. Your foot slides in perfectly, it stays in there, and it's like, it supports you, you know. It supports you around the heel, front part of the foot, both of your feet, and your foot arch, which is like really rare on some shoes. And yeah, it's just really, really nice. As you guys can see, I'm probably going to be wearing these today because they're really comfortable, and I'll probably be wearing these to school like a few times because I don't want to ruin them. And yeah, so see you guys later. Bye.